Why are comments disabled on my YouTube video? I'm going to show you why are comments disabled on YouTube video. The content of a YouTube video is one of the most frequent grounds for disabling comments. Certain types of content, including hate speech, graphic violence, and sexual content, are prohibited by YouTube's strict community guidelines. YouTube may deactivate comments if your video includes any of this material in order to avoid future tense exchanges or abuse. If your video's privacy settings are set to private or unlisted, comments will be displayed by default. This is due to the fact that these movies are meant for a small audience, like friends or family, and permit comments from the general public might result in unpleasant encounters. If the video has been reported by other users, comments may be blocked. Users can flag videos on YouTube that they feel violate community standards using the system in place. To minimize any possible problems, YouTube may deactivate comments if enough people report a video. Depending on your preference as the comments creator, comments may be turned off. YouTube gives content producers the option to decide whether or not to enable comments on their videos. Unless the settings are changed, if you have chosen to disable comments, this will apply to all of your videos. If your video is COPPA and other privacy legislation compliant, comments may be blocked. Only adult audiences should watch age-restricted content, and permitting comments may encourage improper interactions. If your video has been reported for violating a third party's copyright, comments may be turned off to avoid new violations or legal battles. Until the copyright issue is resolved, YouTube may disable comments. To stop further spam or false information from being published in the comments area, comments for your video or channel may be muted if they have been reported as having either. If your channel has been given a community strike for breaking one of YouTube's community rules, the punishment may include the disabling of comments. It's essential to abide by YouTube's rules and practices since community strikes may lead to a temporary or permanent suspension of your account.